And then, how many I don't know, Heidi will have to count them later.
Yeah.
Let me come down.
22.
So I'm walking down, there's one, and then you've just spotted
There's a couple there, babe.
bits of shrapnel all around, and shrapnel balls all the way down the gully, shrapnel everywhere. What's that there? That's a big piece of something here. No, that's a bit of rock. But then again here where it's like caught, there's 3 balls there. Just all these gullies, full of them there, 2 there, another 2 down there. Must have had at least 100. That is what happens when the rain comes. All the shrapnel and all the shrapnel balls.
And a bullet.
A bullet all collected together. There's the bullet. That's mad. And bits of green. This area just seems to have washed away a lot of stuff, so I'm finding more. Found a big band there, big copper band. Quite good size. Again, that's a shrapnel ball. Mangled. Just in that small area. You know, yeah, there's a lot of things that look like shrapnel balls, but they're not. But they're just sitting there in that like light, showing up. Just found a coin sticking in there like that. I don't know what it is though. I'm trying to work out what it is. See the other side yet. I don't know if it's French or German. Or German. Now here's a river that's been washed down yesterday. Shrapnel balls 2, shrapnel, a couple of balls, and a bit further down some green. So there we are. We've got loads more bits of shell.
past we forget.